Hey guys, this is the Bista Matte Black Silverware set. And it's a set of 20 and it comes with 4 dessert forks, 4 dinner forks, 4 dessert spoons, 4 dinner spoons, and 4 knives. It's like just your traditional butter knife. And this is the flatware set. It's the matte black, but there are other options, other designs, other colors. There's a gold one, the flatware gold one, super pretty, love the gold, but personally the matte black's my favorite. And we've had this set for 3 years. It is held up so nicely, as you can see. It's rust resistant, it's made out of stainless steel. And the best part about these are that they can go in the dishwasher. No hand washing that you have to do. They can just go in the dishwasher and be clean and without rust. Like I said, 3 years, still going strong, holding out, looking brand new and great. And one thing too, they're not too heavy at all. They're just a nice look and a nice silverware set to have.